Hi everybody, today I'm going to talk about Nutrafol, which is a supplement for hair growth and hair health. So here I've got a box of Nutrafol and I've already opened it up, but this is what it looks like when you get it. So I've got two boxes here. So you can just buy the regular supplements by itself. I also got the stress adaptogen. So let's open them up. This is what they look like. So here we go. Here's the hair growth nutraceutical dietary supplement. So there's 120 pills in here and you're supposed to take 4 a day. So I take 2 twice daily. And it's got all these, it's got all these good vitamins in it. And this is supposed to help your hair grow out really healthy and really thick. So I'm gonna try this out for a few months and see how that works. And here's the stress adaptogen. So it's got 3 stress balancing adaptogens, including reishi mushroom, don't know how you say that, shishandra, and rhodiola. So this is supposed to help reduce stress. So I'm going to be using these for a couple of months and see how that goes. I've heard only wonderful things about this brand, so I'm hoping for the best. I hope you enjoyed this video. So you can click the link below and use my code to get a percentage off of your order.